Wow, so this just happened, just happened a couple of minutes ago, right behind, very near to where I live. For those who are familiar with the area, this is in Greater Portmore. And the funny thing about it, I didn't even hear the sound of the crash. That's the thing. And this was right behind, near to my house. Somebody came to visit me and said, two cars in the ditch right behind your house. So this was the scene just a while ago. This is a residential area. It's also pretty close to the Greater Portmore Primary School. Right, the primary school is literally just around the corner from here. Along the same road, just go around the curve, that's where the Greater Portmore Primary School is. And as you can see, these are houses you're looking at. The car went up to the wall, crashed into the ditch and part of the wall. So according to an eyewitness who I spoke with, because there are many persons there still. I mean, the ambulance came and took away the persons who were in the vehicles. It's a two vehicle collision, right? As far as I got to understand, according to the eyewitness who I spoke with, he said that this white car here was coming out of the minor road, which would be in front of that brown house that you just saw, and the silver car, which you're gonna see that silver car there, which is on the record, it was coming along the main road. We can call it a main road for argument's sake, right? Because it's not really the main road that buses drive on, but for this purpose, we can call it the main road. The white car coming out of the minor road, and they had a collision. The white car basically flipped, I was told, and ended up in the ditch. I think I was told that the white car, there was a female and a baby. I don't know if that is true, but I was told there was a female driving it and there was a baby in that car. And the silver car had a female driving it. I don't know. I was not there. I mean, I went on the scene after all of this had happened, right? So the ambulance was there. Two fire trucks, either one or two fire trucks. The wrecker, of course, lots of policemen were there. No, this is, as I say, it's a residential area. This is where I walk in the mornings. I mean, we know accidents can happen anywhere, anytime, but just the thought of it, to say we could have students walking along this road, kids ride their bicycles along this road. We just really have to be very, very careful. We just have to be really careful. The lady whose house it is, she just looked like she's in total shock right now. She's on her veranda looking, and I mean, I can just imagine the shock to know that a car crashed into the ditch right in front of your house. It's just one of those things. And just yesterday, a parent came to pick up her daughter, and she was telling me the reason why she was so late. She was coming along the highway, same place here in Portmore, and I think the car flew off the bridge. I don't know. So I don't know how the story go. But the car fell onto the road, off the bridge, onto the road, collided. I believe one person lost their life and several others were taken to hospital. And just today now, this is what is happening, right? Today is a Saturday, and maybe that's the best thing, because we don't, school is out, you know, because you have a lot of kids walking along this road. So if you just look at the condition of this car, look at the state of the front of this car. And this is the car that they said the infant was in. I don't know if it's true. I was not there. I don't know, but that's what I was told. So I'm hoping that everybody is okay. The ambulance took them to the hospital, I was told. So a lot of policemen are there. Several policemen are there. So, you know, doing their job to sort out who was at fault, and, you know, what are the repercussions of all of this. But hopefully everybody is okay. They must be shaken, regardless of the physical condition that they're in. I know mentally they must be shaken. And the people who live along this stretch right here, I know mentally they are shaken. It can happen anytime, anywhere, but trust me, just look at, see the lady there stand up. I mean, you can't make her out good, but she's there standing up in her yard still. Who to tell what she was doing? It's Saturday morning, probably making, what time now? It's after 11 now. Probably chilling out on our veranda. And yeah, so that's it, guys. Just be careful. Just be careful. You can't be too careful, especially when it comes to vehicles. Because now, you know, this is a whole lot of implications that this has. People going to have to recover, you know, physically, mentally, emotionally, financially from all of this. So let's just be careful.